To start Kindle Direct Publishing, which is Amazon KDP, I'll be showing you the few basic things you need to start listing your books on Amazon. Number one, you need a phone or a laptop and internet connection. You need to create an Amazon KDP account, which I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. What I want you to do is to like this video, share for 10 of your friends. You can save this video for later. Alright, Amazon KDP account is where you manage your book share, publish new titles, and track sales and royalties. Number 3, writing content. You need a content to publish, whether it's novel, non-fiction, a combination of short stories, or any other written works like journal, planner, etc. Make sure it's edited and formatted correctly for digital publishing. Number 4, book cover. A professional design book cover attracts readers. You can hire a designer or you can use Canva to do it, which I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. The next, you need an ISBN, which is optional because Amazon is going to give you an ISBN. Some will say, what is ISBN? This is an ISBN. Amazon will generate ISBN for you. Number 7, formatted manuscripts. Your manuscript must be properly formatted for an e-book publication. These include paragraph formatting, font style, capital headline, and page breaks. The next one is pricing strategy. Decide on the price on your ebook. Amazon allows your own price. Number 10 is account information, where you will receive your royalties. You need a US account to get your royalties paid to your account. Don't worry, I got you. I'm going to show you how you can create your own account. Even if you're in Nigeria, verify it with just your NIN. Last but not the least, you need tax information. If you are in a country like Nigeria that you don't necessarily pay tax, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can fill your tax information and it will be approved by Amazon. I don't want this video to be long. If you are not yet following me, hit the plus sign and share for your friends. Comment Amazon KDP account. I'll see you on my next video.